Hi, welcome to the HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Color LaserJet Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain you how to troubleshoot any problem, any soft problem you can create on your printer. So, to troubleshoot any problem, of course, you need to factory reset your device, but I know you have many settings on your device here, and you don't want to restore all settings, but you forget what the settings you have jailed. So if you want to restore all settings, but you want to save good settings, you need to just create a backup. So if you will create a backup, and you can just restore backups of the good settings. So open tools here on your EWS IMT web server. Then find here backup and restore and click backup. Here check the settings you want to backup. You can create a password for this backup, but you can create the backup without the password, and just we can't create the backup without the password. For example, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, password. Okay, so click save, and as you can see, backup was successfully updated, was successfully downloaded. So now click OK, and now you can open settings and click restore defaults, restore factory settings, factory defaults, and just click restore factory defaults and click yes. After the restoring all factory settings, just open tools again, just open backup and restore, and click restore. Then just click open file, and just find here your backup. Click open, enter the password from this backup here, and select what the data you want to restore. For example, email settings, folder settings, fax settings, address book, email alerts, but printer settings you don't want to restore. Settings, copy settings you don't want to restore too. Click load, wait a while, and great, the changes have been updated successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.